Hey guys, I'm sad because it's raining outside, and I was gonna go outside and make a video for you guys, but it's raining now. So, stupid rain. Look. Looks cool. Okay. Anyway, look. Can't you hear it? Look, my pool. I can't wait to swim in that. Alright, well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat something real quick, and I'm gonna make you guys a video. So, yeah, enjoy and subscribe. Bye. Guys, it's just stopped raining, so I'm gonna go outside.
My chick bad, my chick hood, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, my chick hood, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours. My chick bad, better than yours.
I cannot skateboard.
My chick bad, my chick hood, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, badder than yours. My chick do stuff that I can't even put in.
Subscribe. Bye.